let your body know, baby, let nobody
Hey!
know. I wanna let your body know, carry go, carry go.
Let's go! Hey! Okay, let's get into the next one, man. This one's called Plenty Lovin'. Let's hear it, let's hear it. Hey. Come on. Ah, no. I love it. This intro is mad. No. Let's wheel it. Come on. Yo, I like how the beat kind of like soared and opened up. Listen. Listen. Come on. What's this one called again? Hey. Come on. Yeah, this whistles. Hey! I know. Yo, we have a hit on our hands. Yo, we have a hit on our hands, I think. Bro, let me run that back. Yo, what a pocket, bro. Like, this is a pocket you focus on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Carry you go. Hey, baseline. Let's go. Are those lock drums? Let's go. Hey. This is one. Come on. Hey. Come on. Listen, this is a track. This is one. Wizkid has one. This has everything written on it, bro. This has a hit on it. Thank you. The energy is coming up. It's towards the end. But my track 11, ladies and gentlemen, and that might be my favorite song so far. I think. Ah, no, let me run that again. Hey, who produced this? It's not P2J. It is! Hey! Okay, it took so long to get to something like this. Wow! It took so long. But it's finally here, man. At least something I can say, okay, this has... Yeah. Obviously, WoW was another one that could do that. But yeah, this one's gonna move. This one, I feel like they have to get energy into this one, man. Because obviously, this is danceable, clearly. And it has a very fun feeling to it. Nah, they definitely need to, like, focus on this one, man. I don't know, that was dope. That was Plenty Lovin'. I don't know if that's the best title for it, not gonna lie. I'm gonna let your body go. Nothing about the hook says much about Plenty Lovin'. If anything, Carry Go is another good title, but yeah, anyway, hopefully that doesn't affect the SEO power of the song, because that's very important in naming or in titling songs. You actually, when people look up a song, usually based off of what they've heard in the song or what's memorable in the song, they go on the internet to search the lyric that they heard, or at least that got stuck in their head. And Plenty Lovin' is not that line that you get. So it can affect SEO power, which is very crucial for naming naming songs. That's why usually they have a bracket to like spice up the SEO of a song usually. Which is funny enough, he's doing that on the last track. But anyway, 94%.